here and welcome to Forex Buno Hub, and in this video we're going to analyze the market fundamentally for next week, that means 24th February to 28th February. Okay, so let's get started. As you know that gold is always connected with USD. Okay, that's why we have to follow USD news. Okay, so let's analyze the XAUUSD, that means gold. Okay, and before we start you need to remember two things. There is one thing, there is two things. Okay, for positive news, you may ask me, Mr. Boom, how the positive news look like. Okay, positive news data will come with positive value like green 0.5%, green 245k. Okay, and for negative data or negative news data come with red value, that means red color value, and like 0.5% with red color, 245k with red color. Okay, or it can come with minus 245k, like that. Okay, and if data come with positive value we will sell gold. Okay, and if data come with negative value we will buy gold. You have to keep these two things on your mind. Okay, and there is a lot of major thing related on news, so we will discuss those later. Okay, and you may ask me, Mr. Boom, why for positive news we will sell gold, why for negative news we will buy gold? Okay, so let's break down that. And suppose for now one gold bar value is 2500, that means one gold is equal to 2500 USD. Okay, and you have to keep two things on your mind, that is gold value is always fixed, that means constant value, and USD value is always changeable. You may know that currency value is always changeable, and metal, gold and other metal value is always fixed. So that will be fixed and currency value will be changeable or variable. Okay, so let's get back into our calculation. Why for negative value gold will buy, why for positive value gold will go for sell? Okay, so as you can see there is gold same triangle over here. Okay, for negative news we will minus 5% from our USD, that means there is minus 5% triangle, that means smaller. In that case gold is bigger than USD, that's why there is 5% okay negative value. Okay, that's why in that case gold is bigger than USD. Suppose USD and gold, okay, GOLD bigger than USD. Okay, so this is USD and this is gold. In that case that will go up, that means buy for gold. And same thing for positive news, the USD, or I'm sorry, the gold is remaining same like that one, that means 1 everywhere, but USD value there get 5% positive value. That's why the USD triangle is bigger than 5% bigger than that one. Okay, that one, okay, 5% bigger than that one. That's why in that case gold is smaller than USD. That's why in that case we will sell gold, Okay, hopefully all things clear now. So let's get your eyes, or let's keep your eyes on the chart. As you can see there is a lot of news coming on Monday to Friday, and as you can see there we have Monday Euro news, that means semi-major news, so we don't need to keep our concern on that, because we need to keep our concern only on what? USD. Okay, so as you can see there is in Tuesday we have two time USD news. One time is minor news, another one is major news. That means that news will impact market, small impact. Okay, and for CB consumer confidence, that means this news, this USD red news, and another one is Richmond manufacturing index, and this one is very important. If data come with green 5% we will sell gold, if data come with red 5% we will buy gold. Okay, that is the thing. And there is AUD news. We don't need to keep our eyes on AUD or other currency, and we have to keep our concern on USD only. Okay, as you can see there is crude oil news, and if data come with positive value we will sell gold, if data come with negative value we will buy gold in that case. And we have Thursday we have a lot of USD news. As you can see there two news is major news. Okay, and same thing, positive, for positive we will sell gold, for negative we will buy gold. And finally in Friday there is one USD red news and one USD semi-major or minor news. Okay, for positive value we will buy, for negative we will, sorry, for positive we will sell, and for negative we will buy. Okay, so that is the thing, and we are posting real-time analysis, that means real-time data, what is happening around the world, what is Federal Reserve Bank says, or what is Mr. Trump says. We are always updating on our Telegram channel, so you may join our public Telegram channel t.me/fxbizonahub. You will get the link in the video description. So that's for now. If you need any more help or if you have any more query, you can ask our Telegram channel t.me/fxbizonahub. You will get the link in the video description. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.